Hi there. Today we're taking a look at a product that the brand was nice enough to send to me in exchange for an honest review. These are the Nitrile gloves in the orange color from Hand Care, and they are extra thick. These are the 8mm gloves. This is the extra large size. I have a bigger hand than most, and so the extra large actually fits really well. It's just kind of big enough to fit my hand, but also tight enough to where it doesn't feel like you're wearing like a winter glove. These gloves have the texture. You can kind of see it here. There's the diamond texture in there. What that does is I could see like using these in your garage, working on your car, deep cleaning, anywhere where your hands are going to get wet or any kind of wet environment, they're going to kind of retain that texture. So instead of the glove getting slippery, you're still going to have grip. Even though you might have oil or cleaner or something on your hand, you're still going to be able to grab your tools and that kind of stuff. The other thing I like is that they're orange. Some of those black gloves, it's hard to tell if you've got something on there and you go to grab a tool and the next thing you know that material is now all over your tool. Well, these are going to let you know if you're, have oil, you have grease, you have whatever on there, you're going to know you can wipe them off before you grab those tools. They're really great product. They work really well. The box is actually set up also. It's got, you can either side open it or it's got this opening in the top that we haven't opened yet to allow you to get the gloves out of, but it's a really great feature. I hope this helps your buying decision. Thanks for watching.